Those along the New England coast getting last-minute preparations done as Hurricane Lee approaches.
Fox Weather's Nicole Valdez reports from Massachusetts.
It's New England, We're overdue, in my opinion.
Hurricane Lee tracking north, traveling up the New England coast. Folks here preparing for heavy rains, high winds, and rough surf. The first hurricane watch in 15 years has now been issued for portions of Maine, while a large swath of New England is now under a tropical storm watch or warning.
FEMA has staged resources across New England to provide rapid federal assistance if needed. Now, we encourage all of those in the path of this large and dangerous storm to remain alert.
And while the storm isn't expected to make landfall in the U.S., its massive wind field is hundreds of miles long. Residents now gearing up for potential flooding, power outages, and downed trees. Some areas in Maine could see up to 5 inches of rain. Meanwhile, many boat owners not taking any chances, pulling their boats out of the water before the storm passes through.
It can get pretty hairy. Lines stretch out a lot, boats start loosening up. It only takes one to break free and start bouncing around and causing a lot of damage.
This powerful storm is accelerating north, with conditions expected to be at their worst on Saturday before finally winding down on Sunday. And Canada also bracing for impact as Lee is expected to make landfall along the western shores of Nova Scotia. In Scituate, Massachusetts, I'm Nicole Valdez, Fox Weather.
Still ahead.